Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
E tā wale mai o le leo se o le avea mau sui fifilia mo lau saufanga ni nupi wha. O le tu langa I whaingo fia i nupi wha no whaasafua lau saufanga mwha manianga mai nupi wha. Mo e pe le mama mai ati oi. Asa suwane se ofisa nupi wha la tane. Pe wala au mai le ono wha walu o o.
Tāwhalawa Samoa, I'm Jack Ty Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my sexy. Wa'ua lea.
O lawin siwa e au wala I se te unga tupe mo le lumana I manuia. E mo le puipuinga tau tupe o lau soifua, mai mawhai o na taunu no atu, mo so se mahua anga I te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
Vili magai lewa baua. Kopi manguele kapungia. Koperi rope baua ngai.
A few mai nei loy le Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tupe about serving Samoa's finance.
Tanto tapo ai le tua. Le tua mato tama. Ato te sa ili lawe lau fio le nei tai au fo. Ato mo lau fio le nei wha moe moe. O nā mtana si o lawe nona whai. Kasi si nei lo lawa suaka wa malu e whaoga. E maso umasi o whao pau. O whiwhile nei oku mai tuspaia te tei nei tātou nei tai au. Maure mai le nga dia mareko. Wano whai kua suma le ono. E whangata e luas fu, rau whai tauina, whawhonga mai a, tumpa i o le tua. Sabali anio ia, latanatan e le vai o katilaia, ona sile fia le i o Simona Ministerial o nouso. Wala lafolu I penga I pai, o atanata whai vai la ua. Petana ia kuleo I Yesu ia te la ua, nā muni mai a ia tea, o te whai o uruan whai vai tangata. Ratu o lo lea, o nā upenga, ai muturi atu ia te ia. Tui nā ia, tua nā iatu te isi le mea. Ona sila whiere i o ia popo le ate leo se pitai o ma i o ane lo nouso, ua le paa. O whai māsae o nā ratu o upenga. O wala o tulo ia ia te la ua. Ona ratu o leo la ta mao se pitai o le paa whātasi ma ona. O la muturi atu ia te ia. In the Gospel of Mark, chapter 1, verse 16, I'll share reading some verses, and it reads, As Jesus passed along the Sea of Galilee, he saw Simon and his brother Andrew casting a net into the sea, for they were fishermen. And Jesus said to them, Follow me, and I will make you fish for people. And immediately they left their nets and followed him. As he went a little farther, he saw James, son of Zebedee, and his brother John, who were in their boat mending the nets. Immediately he called them, and And they left their father Zebedee in the boat with the hired men and followed him. O manua mai le tua tātou kei tau whanongonong. Isu ana whiong pa ia. Tu mau ia te iela lawe inga. Nisi o whāpaka. Amen. Se mana tu e awawa I mapu whaunga mo netai au whapea. Wala au mo le sosoani. Wala au mo le sosoani. E o manino lawe nei au whia. E le whata ti ango le nei tara le pe na whamawina I mareka. A matalawa I whaanga e perfecto Isaia o leo taunu. Teu le ana mo le a whio mai o tātua rio Jesu. Pe ana whaia ngā ruenga Ioane Baptiso. Ioane Baptiso na tai le ala. O ia na te baptiso le ile mai. O Jesu na te baptiso le ngā. Ona so e lea ma le whaso soino Jesu I le pao. Ia so e fast food. Ona o le vaenga sa tātou whaitawina nei wharongo. O le mala wina Jesu o rana o so. O mana o mia le so soani le tātou ali. I le ngā ruenga o lo ia tā pena iai, mo le whareina o le lalala. O leo ia o mala aua I la tau whiwhidia. Mo le so soani. The Gospel of Mark that we just read today, just a theme for us for this morning. Called for assistance. Called for assistance. The Gospel of Mark is quite unique because it begins with the prophecy of Isaiah that has been fulfilled with John the Baptist. It then carries on with the temptation of Jesus and finally calling of the disciples. So all these things laid the ground for Jesus Christ, for his work ahead of him, and he needed assistance, which is why he called the disciples. The interesting part of this story for us is that they answered. Pa ia e nei mafutanga ma le nei tai au le fio e lo whionga ni star, pe o ni star mo lau, whionga ni pomsina, pe le au pengar mo malu o ni tā alu. A me se le fio ai o le mpasa ki apani. E se le tā uro nei aso. Tā uro nei aso o le ua mai le whaso soani. Ale nei maa lo ya mai. Sao tātou tāru sama. A leo tuina mai ia se ke so soani mo tātou. E ala I sao lea whangaina leo whengaru. Ai are whale pe ona iai mauta o lo whtau pe tāpenei. O are whamoe moe mo tātou. Tātou avere vi inga ma whamanui le atua. Ono leo ta wana mai maro ya pani. Le whaso soani mo tātou. Jesus Christ, he needed himself. He needed assistance with the work that he was about to do. And as we gather here today and we reflect on this text, it kind of puts into perspective this very day for us all. Samoa has been preparing the safety of all our people. And now we have the assistance of His Excellency and the government of Japan, that you have donated all these things for Samoa. As I'm surrounded by very important people in Samoa, and I feel very humbled to be amongst this table. We asked to sit at this table and to know that Samoa is good hands, as Japan has donated all these tools for our use and for the safety of Samoa. I think Samoa is a bit different from other countries in the world because we have no military force, but we have a police force, and the police force is governed by God. And I think this is why we are so safe in our grounds, because of the work that men and women around this table, within this room, that you do for the safety of Samoa. May God bless all the work that you do. May God bless these tools and these equipment in this house that is donated for us all. And may God bless Samoa now and forever. O Yesu Kiriso tātou rifao, e nā whio mai, me lium toi tūman mā roma yoti, tātou te mau me leola e whāpura. Tu mau lea tua ringa me whamanu, o nā lona alofa mo lo nāga lei mo Samoa mai tātou, nei masa umasi o whāpura. Paula. Amen. Te o tātou pese whātasi pese Osana. Mātou te whāwhtai atu I lau whio mo le nei aso le rie. Whāwhtai mo le nei whātasinga I mātou umane. Sa man whāmoe moe o mātou poto. Whāwhtai mo lo wang le nei le atua tu sa manei fōai. O wale manu rio sa moa mo mātou tamata. Whāwhtai le atua mo lau tala le lei. Peo na mātou whaita wina ma whālongolongo e nei taia. Whai lea matai ala mo tātou mo I mātou I tau tenu. Whaftai lea tuana o loo whele mawai mai mātou. Mai tūmau atu pēra o hi inga. Whamanuina lo swafu ma malu at whau. Tātou malau whio lea tua mai e whamanuia. Peona iai nei whatasi. Manuia o mātou taitai I whanmālo. Taitai whalekariesi. Taitai I whanenu. Whamanuia lea tua. Mālo ia pani e peona iai nei fōai. E whamanuia iai lātua. Peo mo lea whaungai na wāru matu kui o sa moa lea tua. Ia o ngā moa mātou tangata. Ai mai se o mātou ngā ruenga whai. Manuia e mātou ngā ruenga lo whai mo kui o mātou tangata. Ia anga le leila o whio ia te mātou. Manuia ia sa moa mo mātou wai ma uma. Lātou foi mātou te leo whātasi. Pēnau e nei tausi mu whamanuia ia te lātou. Mātou se uma le atua whamangalo I mātou. Le toto Iesu Kristo. Mātou talo lea, whatasi matu talo e mātou lotu. Whai e pēra o whinangaro le atua. Ai leo se mātou whatawana. Ono Iesu ala atua I mātou tata. Manuia mawhile e mōla o whio le atua I mātou tama. E lo sisi le so Iesu Kristo, mātou liwhao. Pan mawhtanga whai pēra o lava whio ngāo pai. Tu mau lungo I mātou sa moa maro fōwhanga o mana. Nei si o te whāpapau, whāpaula. Amen. Ia whātai tere la sunga I whātengaina. O le taulanga o mōdi e la hau ngā ma toa ni niu tuaoi a wāpita tō rata puia ma le tua. Tato wareanga biyong biyama le taulanga o mōdia na ia mūma ma lie kongo le tua. E la sunga le whawhenaina ia o lea usau lia ni tanga penga se ka ropa patawa ale nei. Wa ko usau le whawhemoe kaso. Thank you, Reverend, for leading us in prayer and for asking God for His blessings and His blessings on all of us and on this joyous occasion. Moving along with some brief formalities, we have a couple of speeches to dispense with, and I would now like to invite Mr. Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Embassy of Japan, His Excellency Keisuke Senta, for his opening remarks.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Reverend, for guiding us this morning. Minister of Police and Prison, Honorable Harry Jeffrey Schuster, and Associate Minister of Police, Police Commissioner Paolo Filippo, and the Deputy Commissioners, and as well as Samoa police officers. Ladies and gentlemen, Talopala, good morning. It is indeed a great honor to stand before you today representing the government of Japan as we celebrate this momentous occasion of handing over 10 new vehicles to Samoa police. Japan is proud to extend its support through the grant assistance for grassroots human security projects, showcasing our commitment to fostering strong international partnerships. These reliable and robust vehicles are equipped to meet demanding the needs of law enforcement, enabling Samoa police to respond swiftly and effectively to various situations. I hope these vehicles will also be helpful for Samoa police to prepare and service the forthcoming child meeting. Furthermore, Japan understands the financial challenges faced by the Ministry of Police and Prison in maintaining and upgrading their fleet. The assistance provided today is aimed at alleviating some of these maintenance costs, allowing the Ministry to allocate the resources to other crucial aspects of their operations. And since these cars are made in Japan, I'm sure I can guarantee the quality, and the maintenance cost is minimal. So I hope these will help. We express our sincere hope that this support will contribute to the Samoa police ability to protect and serve the public more efficiently. Japan remains committed to fostering strong relationships and collaboration that promote human security and well-being. May these vehicles serve as a symbol of unity and cooperation between Japan and Samoa, working together towards a safer and more secure future for all the people of Samoa. So, Mayama.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We have heard from the government of Japan, His Excellency. Now my pleasure to call upon Honorable Minister of Police, Prisons and Corrections, Fiona Palwala Harry Schuster for his keynote address. Honorable Minister.
Reverend Dr. Ambassador of Japan, Honorable Zuwansi Yota, Associate Minister for Police, Prisons and Corrections, Commissioner of Paolo Filippo, the Executive of the Ministerial Police, Prisons and Corrections. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to extend a very warm welcome to you, guided sisters of the government of Japan through its grant assistance for grassroots human security projects. The contract for this project was signed on the 16th of March 2023, and we have the opportunity today to witness the first phase of this contract, and then the handover of these 14 vehicles, which comprises of 10 vehicles for Samoa Police Service and 4 for the Samoa Prisons and Corrections Services. This kind donation includes 7 Land Cruiser double cab pickups, 5 Land Cruiser troop carriers, 1 30-seat coaster bus, 1 Isuzu cargo truck. The initial request was submitted in July 2022 and was approved in March 2023. This is an upgrade to the ministry's assets with these additional vehicles. Given the limited resources we have, this project will really assist and improve service delivery of our core functions to the people of Samoa, as well as our international partners. The total cost of this project amounts to US dollars $353,988 US dollars, equivalent to Samoan Tala 909,750,000 for Samoan Police Service, and US dollars 312,936, equivalent to Samoan Tala 804,249 Tala for prisons and correction services, including the construction of a multi-purpose hall for the Waiata prison, which we had requested for an extension of 12 months, and Your Excellency has kindly acceded to our request. Thank you very much for that. At this juncture, I wish on behalf of the government of Samoa to convey our sincerest gratitude to the government of Japan for the timely delivery of its assets to help Samoa's needs, and Ministry of Police, in particular, to upgrade its resources for security arrangements in the hosting of the upcoming Joka meeting. The purpose and willingness to make this a certainty, and the financial contribution will certainly have a positive impact as we continue our work in making Samoa a safer country, and being a safe country in the Pacific. We do hope that we will continue this great relationship with the request for an extension to construct a multi-purpose hall for prison and other requests for the Joka meeting in October. Again, we thank you for your assistance, and to the Ministry for this project and the ongoing support for the Ministry of Police. It is highly direct to the heart as they remember your message this morning. Call for assistance and respond to that assistance. And in the case of the police, it's begging for assistance and being very thankful for the assistance. When I first came in and met with the executive, then it was Commissioner Al, Commissioner Monalisa, and Senator they said to me the police need 38 years because our vehicles have been damaged and written off. And I thought about 30, and they said, oh, the other good news is we don't have any money. But thank you very much, Your Excellency. Miracles happen every day. And today we witnessed a miracle that 2 years ago we thought we would never get 38 cars. And I think the Commissioner and his executive are very close to attaining 38 cars a day. Thank you very much.
Minister. I would now like to call upon a representative of the Ministry for the presentation of gifts.
Is this written by Imri?
Yes.
I have several pictures in my house.
They gave them a small allowance, so it's not slave labor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my duty to invite you all to proceed to the police post car park, where the vehicles will be unveiled and officially hand over to the Ministerial Police.
Che me lo fa bene? Non vedo.
I'm very happy to see beautiful cars made in Japan. Which are very reliable, and I am sure that the Samoa police will make the best use of these cars. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador, and we will ensure that these vehicles will serve our people of Samoa with the highest standard. Thank you very much.
What?
Ma, I asked my secretary to send you a copy of the notebook. I asked my, so I think it's already in your mailbox.